felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, some closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. For those of you who are new, hello and welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children. We currently live in eastern New Mexico, and we did just recently buy this home in March of this year. So this is our first Christmas in this house, and I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas with your family. On this video, I am just going to let the music play, and then I will probably jump in at the end because I did share a recipe here on YouTube, more like just a dinner idea or how we make this specific meal. So definitely stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, for those of you who are new, I do hope you consider sticking around. It is free for you to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into the video.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. I can move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge.
This day, I've been sharing kind of a lot of recipes at the end of my videos. Maybe not a lot. There's been a few, but on this day, we decided we wanted to do tacos. Sometimes we'll do taco salad or nachos, but either way, we do like to make pico to go with our tacos, and it's kind of like a salsa topper for us. So I just use tomato, onion, cilantro, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. And on this time I decided to throw in a little radish. That was just a tiny bit of radish, but you won't know, but I was totally on the struggle bus with this knife. It really needed to be sharpened, so I did have my husband do that afterwards, but I was just super annoyed. It's like, man, I really need to get this knife sharpened. I don't like to do those things. So yeah, that was kind of what my issue was on this day. But anyways, I'm just gonna continue to make the pico.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart.
There's no running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it. She left you with no words of reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard, but you can fake it. Yeah, just fake it till you make it. Before you know it, you'll forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clear. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? You ask her what you did and how to fix it. Why? You try to find a way and get forgiveness. Why? Search for pain is close to an addiction. Why? So I'm just here to tell you, it is what it is.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so
So we like to do ground beef tacos. We've been doing that for years. We've never changed the style of taco that we like to eat. I use the fajita tortillas, but I did want to mention that we've been buying the 73% lean hamburger meat, and I mean, it's more affordable. Usually I would buy something leaner, but this has become more affordable for our family. We usually cook anywhere from 2.5 to 3 pounds of taco meat for dinner. I usually have to double most of my recipes due to the fact that we eat, and we don't eat, but like I have 2 teenage boys, a 9-year-old and a 4-year-old who's super picky, so you can guess like who eats the most there. But yeah, so usually if we do around 2.5 to 3 pounds of meat, we don't really have any leftovers. But that's fine. I mean, that's what I expect for a family of 6 with 2 teenage boys. So, but anyways, I just brown my meat, I strain my meat, and then I mix the taco seasoning with water into the taco meat, cook it, simmer it for a little bit till I feel like it's, ready to serve. And then I serve everything. I'm going to show you how I serve our tacos here. This was my husband's plate. I don't eat tortillas. I haven't ate tortillas in a while, but I'm trying to limit my carbs. But I did add some chips into my taco salad, which I will show you at the end. But I do use the fajita style tortillas. They're small, and I just think that they're more taco style. So anyways, I do need to end the video here, you guys, but I do want to say thank you so much for clicking on today's video and showing up. And for those of you who are new, I do hope you consider subscribing. If you have not, it is free. And don't forget to like and comment. I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments. I love chatting with everybody. Let me know if you guys do your tacos the same way, or if you do something different. Do you prefer chicken or pork or beef? And anyways, I hope you all have a happy Merry Christmas. Stay safe, stay warm. We've been down into the 1-degree temperatures here in New Mexico. That's the first year for us. So but I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday with your families, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.